How to fix the vertical ruler not working in MS Word. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so we can start. We can start by opening up Word and open up your specific document. Once we open it up, we can just go over and look out for the View tab in the top. Select this right here and we can select the option for ruler here, this one right here, and check it out and it will give you a horizontal ruler. You can go to the file option in the top and go ahead and look out for options, more options, select it, and within options, go to advanced, look out for advanced and scroll to the display section here. After that, look out for this option called show vertical ruler in print layout view. So select that option here and click on OK and save for the changes from here, and that should do it. And vertical ruler should now appear on your screen. And another method we can do is make sure you are in print layout view. So it only works in print layout view. We can go to the view option in the top and select the option for print layout, this first option here, and the vertical ruler will show if it's on wave layout or read mode, then it won't be shown. So you can check it out. And also you can update your Word. If nothing else works, go to File, look out for Account option here, go to More, select Account, and within Account, go ahead and look out for Update options, Office updates, and go ahead and update your Office to the latest version, including your Word document. And also you can restart your Word on Windows once you do so, but usually those are probably the method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.